Sirsasana, headstand position. Distribute the weight between your elbows and the top of your head. Remember, it's all about strong shoulders. Place the elbows on the ground, shoulder width apart. Interlock your fingers. Really root down through the elbows. Top of the head on the ground. Keep the foundation in the elbows. Inhale, hips up, walk in, walk in. Send the hips up and little forward to come up onto the feet, onto the tips of the toes. Elbows really root into the ground. One knee into your chest. Then inhale as you send the hips up and forward. Come up into your half headstand, knees into the chest. Get your balance here established firmly and then activate the pelvic floor. Inhale, rotate the pelvis under ever so slightly. Find your vertical axis. Stay here as you activate the core and then slowly bend the knees, pressing into the elbows, and let's come all the way down. Make sure your elbows stay grounded the whole time you're in headstand. If you feel the elbows coming off, you know you went too far forward. Focus on the shoulders. You'll find it.